Hey guys, LiTime has sent us their new mini battery. Let's open it up. And there's the battery. So yeah, it looks quite a bit smaller than your average 100 amp hour 12 volt lithium iron phosphate battery. All right guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna charge this battery up and then we're gonna do a capacity test. All right, the battery has charged. Let's top it off once more. I wanna see what voltage it charges up to. Okay, we got 14.2. Okay, well, anyways, we're gonna let this test run and I'll come back when it completes. All right, guys, so we actually have exceeded 100 amp hours. We're at 101.37 and actually at 1,281 watt hours. So we have pulled full capacity from this battery